Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial in which we will understand together the expression of if name equal name, which is the entry point of Python execution program. And let's go to understand this expression. So we have this expression if underscore or double leading underscore name, then we have double trailing underscore equals main. What is this expression? This expression can be used within the main Python program. So the main Python program, meaning that the file that is used for the execution. So in the Python projects, we usually have subfiles or submodules or sublibraries, and we will execute the main Python script from a file, and this file usually we call it the main file or the demo file. And this file is automatically will be assigned internally the name of main. So this expression can be used within the main Python program, or it can be used with the Python module to make it run as a standalone program. So we can run this program directly, okay? And this means, or sorry, that means it is the starting execution point, okay? And so the interpreter in the Python use special variables. One of these variables is underscore name. Okay, so this is a special variable or a special attribute, and this name variable usually the interpreter assign value for this attribute or for this variable, and this value is main if its initial module is being run. So if I run this file main.py, then the Python interpreter will automatically assign the name main, okay, to the variable main, okay, to the variable name, okay. So in general, the expression is considered the entry point to execution, or the entry point for executing Python script or Python program. What is the meaning of the entry point? It is mean that the initial file or the main file or the entry file that will execute the whole project. So it will import the required library, the required functions from another files, and give you or return to you the main result. So if we run this file, which is this main file or any file that that you will run, okay, and the interpreter assign the main to it, okay, there are a set of files that the interpreter will assign the value name for the running files. Let us translate this by programming. This will be a very quick tutorial. So what is the special attribute here, name? If I want to print underscore name like this, then this is a variable, a special variable that is located in Python. And if I execute this, it will return to me that the name of this file is main based on the assignment of the Python interpreter. So the Python interpreter understand we executing this file as the main script or the main file. Okay. So you can rename this file as test or whatever you want, and you will still have main as the name of this special variable name. Okay. Let us create here a new file. Okay, we create a new Python file here, and in this file we will have, for example, my like my module. Okay, my module. Okay, .py. Okay, my sorry for this incoming call. And we have this my module, and I want to define like a print hello. Okay, and this will return. It will return a print statement, and it will say hello world. Okay, and we will import this file here now. Okay, I have main here, and if I will execute this, then I have main here. Okay, now as what we agreed that if we run this program, okay, or this script, then it will be assigned the file name. If I want to run now this my module, I click and make run my module, and now we have nothing. Okay, so because it's empty. But if I want to print, okay, underscore name, okay, underscore, then if I want to run this file, it will become main. So this main will no longer be become, because I am running this this script now. Okay, so the name of this special variable or the value of this special variable name is still dynamic, meaning that whenever we are executing the files, the file that I am executing now, it becomes main. Okay, so take care for that. What we can do here, we can use this expression if underscore name, okay, underscore equal underscore main, okay, underscore, then we can execute whatever we want here. Okay, so we, for example, I can import this module or my module. I can import my module here, and if this name equal main, I will execute my module dot print hello world. And now if I run this file, it will become the main, because as I said that any file that I execute, it will become now the main. Okay, and now this is the main, and if this the main is if this name is the main, then we execute this because we imported my module here, and this will return a print function that will execute this. So to conclude, this expression, you will see it in almost in every Python project. Okay, and this is related to assignment of the assignment of the main execution script, okay, or the entry execution script in Python. We usually wrap whatever we want to execute, okay, after this this line, which is if name equal main. I hope that this is very clear for you, and see you in the next tutorial.